Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Lauren, and today we have something a little bit different but really exciting. So a few weeks ago, I had Protein World reach out to me for a collaboration, and after looking at their products and hearing about them, I could not say no. So they sent me this box of goodies. And I am so excited to look at them, and I cannot wait to use them. So I'm gonna show you their products and tell you a little bit about them if you're interested. So first off, we have the Slender Pancake Mix, and this is in the vanilla chocolate chip flavor, which sounds so delicious. And then we also have the Slender Mug Cake Mix, which is in the chocolate flavor, which also sounds really delicious. I'm a sucker for chocolate. These also come with their own little, oh my goodness, their own little yellow scoops. How cute are these? So I've got one for each bag. And like for the mug cake mix, you add 3 yellow scoops of this and then 2.5 yellow scoops of almond milk. So it'll come in handy for that. And then for the pancakes, 4 scoops. And then this bag has 10 servings. And this bag, let's see, has 12 servings. So that's a pretty good bit for these bags. Both of these are high in protein, and the mug cake is low in sugar, which is really great. And then the pancake mix is actually vegan, which is also great. Also, I have a discount code for 40% off. If you're interested, I will put it up on the screen. And 40% off is a pretty big discount. So I encourage you to at least go to their website and look at their products. I will have their website linked down below, and also these specific products linked down below. With Protein World, they have so many products that are really for living a healthy lifestyle. They have all kinds of stuff for losing weight, for gaining muscle, and just, being overall healthy, which I really love. This is gonna be my first time trying their products, and I'm so excited, especially with it being the new year. I want to start being healthy. And of course, that's a thing I say every year, but how often does it really happen? And I am also someone who has the biggest sweet tooth. So I am always wanting something sweet, especially right before bed. I want like a big old slice of cake. I want a big old bowl of ice cream. Yeah, so, and I know that's not healthy for me, and I hate it. I've been wanting to go healthy for so long, and it's just been so hard because everything that's healthy tastes healthy, and that's not always a good thing. But I've actually heard really great things about Protein World and their products, and how it actually tastes good and not So I am super excited to see if that is true, which I'm sure it is because that's just what I've seen everybody say. And so that's one thing that drew me towards wanting to do this with them, is because I really need that in my life. And also look at the packaging on these. This is so cute. So let me tell you about each one of the products. So the pancake mix is 195 calories per pancake, I'm pretty sure, yes. And then, high protein, vegan, and it's super easy to make. I think all you need milk and oil, and then you cook for 30 seconds and flip it. They also have Slender syrup, so that's great. The mug cake mix is 130 calories per serving, and you also need coconut oil and almond milk. So I'm gonna be going to the store later. And then you only microwave for 30 seconds, which is awesome because I get so impatient when cooking food. I want it right then, especially sweets. When you're putting a cake in the oven or brownies or whatever, it takes forever. But this takes 50 seconds, not even a full minute. So that is great. And I will have another video coming soon about me actually trying these products and telling you how they are, seeing how they taste, kind of like a little review thing, but also I'll probably incorporate some other things into the video, but I do want to actually show you these products in action. But today is just a little unboxing and telling you about Protein World and their products. They have a whole Slender plan, which I think is their best-selling stuff, which is for if you want to lose weight or whatever. They have these protein shakes, which I really want to try. You can use them as meal replacements or, just as a protein shake. I would personally probably use it as a protein shake because I want to start working out and stuff. I'm not really trying to lose weight, but I know some people are, and that is a great option for people. But I want to use it to build muscle, and just like these, I'm so glad that they're high in protein because your girl needs her protein and she doesn't get it very much. So I'm really gonna be trying with these products, and I am wanting to start working out super soon. And I might even share like a little journey of like starting fitness if you're into that, which I'm also gonna do mostly fashion and makeup and stuff on this channel, but I would like to incorporate some healthy lifestyle type things just because I don't know, that'll help me be motivated and maybe help you to be motivated. I don't know. But I am so excited to try these products though. And again, I encourage you to check out what all other items are on their website because there's so much more that I want to try. They have like protein bars and so much. And especially like in this mug cake mix, they have so many different flavors that I want to try. But also like chocolate. Yes, I am such a sucker for chocolate, anything. So yeah, I'm so excited to try these. I'll probably end up trying it very soon. So that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I have enjoyed showing you these products. And again, my discount code will be down below along with the link descriptions. And yeah, that is going to be it for this video, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye!